Hello, guys. Good morning. What I would like to discuss to you today is about embracing the age of AI, redefining social media marketing in 2024. So, this is a brief discussion how AI is actually redefining our social media in this year 2024. As we can see, the landscape of social media marketing is witnessing a revolutionary transformation in 2024, especially in behind these changes are generative AI and personalization. These advancements are not only merely reshaping strategies but are establishing a new engagement paradigm between brands and their audiences on social media platforms. So as we have introduced to you the AI, the power of generative AI. Sorry, nabubulol ako dito sa pag-pronounce na to. So, makikita natin ang generative AI ay isang technology capable of producing content ranging from text, images to videos, revealing human creative content. So, guys, napapansin nyo nga yung pag-produce ng contents ngayon, napakabilis. At saka yung pag tinatawag natin mag-create ka ng mga images, gumagamit lang sila ng command prompt, nagpo-promote na sila ng mga magagandang images, lalong-lalo yung tinatawag nating cinematic at iba pang mga transformation content na ginagawa ngayon ng AI. So talagang malaking impact talaga yung tinatawag nating AI because doon sa generative AI, ang maganda rito ay we can produce content ranging from text and images by using prompt. At saka na-imitate na rin ito yung tinatawag nating human touch. At ang mahalaga nito guys ay malaki rin ang impact nito for marketers. Bakit? This technology enable the creation of high quality, engaging posts quickly and customization of video contents at scale of revolutionizing content creation and customization. So nako-customize guys nito yung tinatawag nating mga contents at hindi lang yan. Highly engaging pa yung pwede natin gawin or minsan kahit mag-isa ka lang pwede mo na gawin with the help of AI. So ako guys, gumagamit din ako ng AI when in terms of presentation. Mas napapabilis nito kasi yung pagpapaliwanag at saka the same time yung katulad ng ginagawa ko ngayon, sharing to you the ideas how this generative AI will be able to contribute at lalong-lalo na for sa impact sa mga marketers. Hindi katulad nung una pag nagre-research kami, hindi pa yung uso yung AI, ang dami mong textbook na kailangang basahin, kailangan mong mag-deep dive ka talaga sa pag-research, pumupunta ka pa sa mga malalaking library. Whereas ngayon with the AI, nag-a-assist na ito sa atin. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin na it will replace human beings. But ang kagandahan nito, it will assist us more on the speedy content na kailangan natin. Although this is a learning machine, pero we see to it na may kailangan tayong gawin dito na measurement or guidelines how we should be able to use AI in our advantage. The rise of personalization. Ang maganda dito guys, with the help of AI, it can deepen the brand, audience, and relationship. Today, consumers expect brand to understand and reflect their preferences in every interaction. So with AI, it can hasten us how to understand the behavior of every customer that we have. At saka kagandahan nito, naintindihan natin kung ano yung kanilang choices by looking on the demographics, by looking on the infographics na kailangan natin. At ano ba yung decision making nila, bakit sila bumibili. With the help of AI, nadidistinguish natin kung ano yung mga behavioral pattern, how this brand understand or reflect their preferences in every interaction. And of course, leveraging with AI. With AI, brands can analyze enormous amount of data set to tailor contents, recommendation, and offerings at an unprecedented scale, making every interaction feel unique. So, nagiging unique yung ano natin guys, yung interaction natin with AI. We can leverage because it can analyze enormous data. Hindi katulad nung una na one by one, babasahin mo pa yung data para maintindihan mo lang how this client of yours can decide kung ano yung bibili nila. Tapos may mga check-up questionnaire. With AI, ang kagandahan nito, nakikita mo na agad yung infographics, ano yung mga klaseng mga decision ang ginagawa nila. So, by analyzing these key points, nakikita mo ngayon kung ano yung nag-i-influence sa kanila when buying something or when you are would you like to have a concrete decision pagdating sa mga brands, not only yung brands but also yung mga niches na kailangan natin at saka yung pag-choose ng mga kailangan mong ibigay sa iyong kliyente. The significance. So, ano ba yung significance ng AI? It can enhance user experience because of the synergy of generative AI and personalization empowers the brand that can craft compelling, relevant, and engaging content that fosters loyalty and trust. So, ang kagandahan nito guys is you can now experience the loyalty and trust with your client because you are now personalizing kung ano ba talaga yung kailangan niya. Saka it can empower your brand or craft compelling and relevant, engaging content. So pag ganito yung ginagawa mo na mabilis kang nakaka-respond sa kanila, mabilis mong nasusolusyonan yung problema nila with the help of AI, it can foster loyalty and trust. Kasi with loyalty and trust at nabibigay mo talaga yung kanilang kailangan, ang feeling ng kliyente mo, they are so important. Kasi naman, ang kailangan naman talaga, masatisfy mo yung needs ng client mo, lalong-lalo na if they have problems, if they have something of immediate solution na kailangan nila. So, it hasten the process. And of course, the next thing is efficiency and effectiveness. Ang maganda dito guys ay, it can automate and personalizing content creation and distribution, boost ROI, and enhances the bottom line. So, kaya ang kagandahan nito guys, with the effectiveness with AI, by automating their personalizing content and distribution, lalong-lalo na, it will boost the return of investment. And the bottom line is masasatisfy mo din yung mga investor mo because you are giving them the utmost speed in terms of their ROI. And of course, ang importante doon, nagkakaroon ka ngayon ng value when you are implementing this automating tools, and that can help you enhance your productivity as well as your ingenuity and creativity that will help you in the long process. So, less stress at saka at the same time, hindi na ganun ka madugo yung pag-create mo ng mga content, especially in personalizing yung mga kailangan nila. And of course, capturing their attention. In a competitive digital ecosystem, AI-generated and personalized content ensures brands stand out, retaining their target audience attention effectively. So, hindi lang napapabilis, guys, ang pagtulong sa iyo ng AI. Yung pag-capture ng kanilang attention is napakabilis because may mga key points kang susundin eh. May mga kailangan kang gawin na hindi na mo kailangan ng masyadong manpower, but because of AI, may mga checklist ka na ibibigay sa iyo si AI. And ang kagandahan nito, talagang ang gagawin ni AI is see to it na talagang tama yung ginagawa mo. Although, kailangan pa rin yung human intervention para makita natin na kung gaano ka-effective yung ginagawa mo. But because of AI, it cut the 50% of your effort. At also, pinakamaganda nito guys, less stress. So, in conclusion, this 2024, the integration of generative AI and personalization marks a fundamental shift in social media marketing, offering brands innovation ways to forge meaningful connection with audiences through personalized and automated experience, ushering a new dynamic area of marketing powered by AI. So, huwag tayong matakot guys sa AI because depende kung paano mo ito gagamitin, basta meron kang tinatawag na guidelines and ethics. AI is here to stay, hindi mawawala yan. Hindi natin kailangang i-ignore si AI. Nandyan talaga yan. So, kung hindi mo gagamitin si AI at your advantages, mapag-iiwanan tayo ng AI. At saka dito, kailangan talaga nating mabilis din yung learning curve natin to adapt into new changes. Ang kailangan lang dito natin is a quick attitude, a quick learning curve. Hindi mo kailangan maging expert, but to embrace what AI can bring to your business. At saka at the same time, it will empower how your business will change in a few years to come. Dito sa ginagawa namin, we are embracing the advantages of AI, kung paano namin siyang gagamitin. And ang nakakatawa dito, it is a journey. It is a tinatawag nating talagang parang naglalakbay ka na ang AI pala is maraming pwedeng i-offer, not only for your how you can convert more profits, how you can convert more ROI, but also how it can help your customer and clients to be more productive in a certain way. So guys, maraming salamat at sa maiksing pagkukwentuhan natin na pag-uusapan natin yung AI, at marami pa tayong magiging content na ganito so that you can value how we'll be able to help your business. And thank you so much, and see you on our next video. Maraming salamat po, and ingat po lagi tayong lahat.